So I thought I read a poem that I send you something else, but I read my rules for happy holidays, which I give as gift to all sorts of people, and it goes like this. Don't play Christmas carols at the airport. Amidst the roar of jet engines, they will spread a blanket of loneliness over the weary, huddled masses, trying not to cry out for home. Don't put Christmas lights on a poplar with branches swathed in white galaxies under yellow leaves. The tree will become foreign, like a skeleton of an electric fish deep in the ocean. Clean the windows from the ashes of last year's fires. Glue the wings of a torn paper angel. Brighten your home with the fresh scent of pine needles and rosemary. Take a break from chopping almonds to brush the cheek of your beloved with the back of your hand and just once, gently, smile and say, "You look so nice, dear. You look so nice." So that is my standard Christmas poem, which I give to everybody, but I wanted to have comments on another one, which I wrote in 2015, and it's based on my music box. So here's a music box. You can see it. See that? That's a Santa going into the chimney. It's pretty original, actually. It looks like he's standing on the roof with a big bag. A music box Christmas. I wind the spring of the music box. Silvery specks swirl in the snow globe. The twinkling of "We wish you a Merry Christmas" fill the air. Santa on the rooftop falls into the chimney. Are you ready for the holidays? With Scottish whiskey cake, Polish makowiec, American apple pie. Will you cook tamales on Christmas Eve? Your family gathered around steaming pots, laughter mixed with hearty flavors? Will you roast turkey with fixings on Christmas Day? Will you nibble slices of chocolate oranges after unwrapping gifts? Will you taste walnuts and sesame snaps from your stockings? I wind the spring on the music box. Silvery specks swirl in the snow globe. Memories of home swirl before me. I make cranberry sauce with pearls and apples, the way my mom taught me. Do I still know how to chop figs and dates into finely ground poppy seeds, boiled in milk, refried with honey? The favorite flavors of childhood float away with Oginski's Polonaise, Farewell to the Homeland. Under blazing sun of California, I still taste the exotic desserts of Poland's eastern borderlands, where cultures mixed and worlds mingled. Poles, Lithuanian, Tartars, Jews, cornflower blue skies, shimmering gold of rye fields. I wind the spring on the music box. Silver specks swirl in a snow globe. I make a promise to myself I will not break. This Christmas, I'll read a novel wrapped in a plush red blanket and a Santa hat. I will walk alone in a park, come back to the empty house and watch The Lord of the Rings, the epic battles of the elements, good versus evil, twirling and waltzing, the silvery specks dance in a snow globe. I sing along, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, thinking of the Christmas play, my daughter an angel, waving a green pine bough, singing in a sweet chorus of children's voices, We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Very nice.
So
That's so cute.
that's it.
Are we going caroling this winter? I haven't done it in
Probably
so
not.
many years. Pardon me?